Just a quick tip. Hey there, sorry I've been putting out a lot of videos. I've been in technology hell. My computer's been fragging. My new computer that I paid $1 gazillion for, I had to send it back. Current computer is just exploding all over, and I'm having a heck of a time getting the time and using a computer from someone that I can actually make these with. Sorry for not posting. I don't know if you know this. I don't know. This was a big surprise to me. I didn't know this. Maybe everybody knows it and I'm the only one. On the iPad, on the iPhone, you have this audio recorder here, and you go in here and you record audio. Maybe you record it right on here using the built-in mic, maybe a jack and a lapel, maybe you got one of these fancy units where you XLR jack something in here, or whatever you have, some smart lav thing. Well, here's the tip. Go into your settings, go find your voice memos app, which controls the audio, click on audio quality, and you'll see compressed and lossless. Now, compressed is obviously, it's going to compress down the sound and it's not going to be as good. Lossless means I want the best recording you can get. iPad or your iPhone or whatever you're using for voice recording, it's going to sound a crap ton better. Here's a recording on the iPad using the compressed setting. This is the recording on the iPad using the lossless setting, which should be a lot better. I'll tell you one thing. I know it's going to be better as far as being able to edit the sound. That's my short advice. I'm keeping it short because I got to edit all this on a really crummy computer. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you real soon. How to set the audio quality on your iPad. It's quite simple unless you do what I just did, which is try and use it backwards.